Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be adding to my workbench that I made previously. Going to make it a little bit longer, try to get stuff in against the wall a little bit better and a little more storage so I can make room for my two beetles that I have right now. So here we go. I cleaned up the area, I took off the pegboard off the bottom, and I'm going to frame this out right to the wall and just add it at the same height straight across. It's about, I don't know, maybe another 63 inches, a little over 5 foot. And I'll put that all together and I'll have more storage, and I'll put this refrigerator up there so it'll look a little bit better. And then eventually I think I might, on the end here, bring it all the way up to the ceiling, the width of the refrigerator, so I can get the refrigerator up a little higher and in, kind of like sunk into the wall. So I'll box it out. Alright, here we go. So also, if you're new to my channel, you'll know I like using scrap wood. If I can get some free lumber, I'll use it. So this is all made with pieces of extra lumber that was given to me by somebody, stuff like that. I didn't pay for it, so it's all extra lumber. That's the pile right here that I'm digging into. Whatever's left, I'm going to move out of my way and take it out of the garage and put it in the back because it's encroaching on my beetles. It's actually 64.5 long. Up to that last beam next to the door in my garage. I didn't want to cover this last beam just in case something ever happens with the door and I need to work on it or take that beam out. So I didn't want to put it over there or encroach on it, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to put the front piece on now across, level it, and screw on those two legs. Old wood wants to crack, so I'm going to pre-drill. Okay, that's the base, and I'll put the plywood on top, and I'll put a piece of wood across the bottom like I did down there, just so the legs are stronger. Let's do that. My battery's dying. Okay, so I built a small shelf to actually put the refrigerator underneath instead of up above, so it saved me a lot of room. And I have some storage right there with my car charger. So it's all together. Came out pretty cool for scrap wood. The shelf is going to fit exactly for the refrigerator. I popped a hole right here to bring it up to this outlet. So we'll see how that works now. Alright guys, came out pretty good. Looks like I need another shelf here so I can put 2 layers of gas cans or whatever I need to do. So I'll probably throw a little shelf and then leave a high point for the charger, just like I did over there for the air compressor. So I'll leave kind of like a compartment for that and build a second shelf under there because that's not looking good. But over here, refrigerator, water underneath, and on top I cut the hole, if you can see it back there. Got an espresso machine and refrigerator. What else could you ask for? I gotta neaten this up a little bit, but I just got so much stuff. I'm probably gonna build an overhead shelf, like I was saying, maybe up this one side, I don't know. But I think these cabinets kind of is a wasted space. I don't even know what's in them. So those I'll probably keep. That I know what's in, the white one. Car cleaning, paint, and other car stuff is in there. All in all though, came out pretty good. Scrap lumber, strong as hell, ain't going nowhere. Screwed to the wall. I left a little breathing room for the refrigerator. On this side I got my can openers. Bottle openers, I'm sorry. Bottle openers. On this side I got my bottle openers. There we go. I got this buggy in a little bit deeper. And now I have storage room in the front of it, so I wanted to put the snow blower over here so that in case it does snow, it's not behind the two Beetles. But I do have two bicycles I got to put in here too, so hopefully there's room for that. So I'll put the snow blower and the two bikes in front of it. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Very cold out. Gotta get inside. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.